What up guys, in this video I want to show you quickly how you can withdraw and also get an extra free miner on this platform. If you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new updates like this for you. So quickly, I won't take much of your time, let's jump into the video right now. Alright guys, like I said earlier on, I'm gonna be showing you how you can withdraw from, like the last video we did. I showed you how you can deposit and start mining and buy them. I mine and start mining. So right in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can withdraw whatever you've mined into your personal wallet. But first of all, we're gonna take a look, we're gonna give a try on this. I can see over here they say you can get a free miner for only $1. We're gonna try it out in this video right now together. All right, so quickly what we need to do is you need to click on it. Let's click on it and see. All right, here it says all right, so let's just, and I think this is for only $1, so it's what you need to have about $1 on your balance. Quickly, let me even check my balance. Let's go to wallet. Let me see. Okay, right, I have about $7 on my wallet right now, so I'm gonna be using one to get a free miner from the platform, like a bonus. So let's do that quickly before we withdraw. We try to withdraw. So click here, click, and get now, sorry, submit success. Okay, so view my machine, I think it's available. So now I have to click on view my machine. You can see view my machine over here, so let's click it. Let's click it and see what it's gonna show us. Okay, good. So I spent $1 and I got one extra miner, which is over here, okay, so now we are going to wait and see. It is written that I'll be able to get about 12 Doge in total from this new miner I just got. So sorry, the internet is kind of shaking. Okay, meanwhile, if you haven't seen the first video I did about this, I'll be leaving the link in the top right corner of this video, popping up right there. Click it and you can watch it, or you can go back, you can go down below or description of this video. You're gonna see a video there that you can click and watch and know how to use it. And if you want to be part of this platform, there's a link in the description. Go ahead, click it and join us on this platform. Let's make some extra cash. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just giving you showing you things you can do online to make some extra cash. Okay, quickly now let's make our withdrawal from this platform. We go over here, we'll click on withdraw. Let's withdraw our 6 Doge that is available right now, and to show you guys it is really working, that is what I want to show you now. So I have to okay, so right now I need to copy from my wallet the Doge address, my wallet address, which is gonna be Doge, because I told you earlier on this platform only gives you Doge. You can recharge with your USDT or TRX, but you can withdraw only with Doge. So let's go and copy from our wallet quickly. Let me see if my wallet is available right now. Okay, no. Okay, have my wallet here, Trust Wallet. We go on Dodge. Here we are. Copy. Then we go back. All right. Then I'll paste it over here. Paste it here. Then let me just click all. Okay, good, all. Then your security password, I'm gonna put that. Okay, okay. And all I need to do now is click on withdraw. Okay, they'll be taking 3% of the handling fee. Okay, it has been submitted. Good. So right now it's gone. I hope to get it in my wallet anytime soon. Okay, it's still on the platform, so I have to wait for some time before I get it in my wallet. All right, now it's gone, so I'll be expecting to see it in my wallet anytime soon. Let me just wait a few minutes, and once it comes into my wallet, I'm going to show you guys live on the right. Right, so after few minutes, I got it in my wallet, the 6.5 Tron Dodge that I just withdrew from the platform, and I got it on my wallet, straight in my wallet. So guys, that is how to make withdrawal from the DSP platform, and how you can also take extra advantages of this platform. I've already showed you. If you haven't seen the other video, there's a first video I did on how to deposit and do some other stuffs on this platform, is right in the description of this video. Go down below, click it and watch. Well, that is all for this video, and if you like what I show you, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell sign for you to get notification each time I upload a brand new update. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Ciao.